This is the story of the Flying White House, the president's office in the sky. The legacy of Air Force One dates back to 1943, when President Franklin D. Roosevelt flew to Casablanca to participate in the Casablanca Conference. This is the first time a sitting president has traveled aboard on an airplane. The equipment operated was a Boeing 314 Clipper, which was a long-range flying boat operated by Pan Am Airlines. With the enhancement of global connectivity and threats to presidential security, the requirement for a dedicated aircraft was identified.